10 serving 12. Tira-tira. Boom! Gonzalez. Siya naman yung umiinit ngayon. 3-2. Oh, nice serve. Padilyon. Nando na si Demakulangan. Gonzalez! Wow!
Iniwasan na lang eh. Bawon na bawon yung palo na bago pa siya makareact. Eh, umiwas na lang.
Wow! Diba?
Oh, dyan papasok yung positioning. Dinala yung bola.
Siya yung tina-target.
Siya
Ano?
naman yung tina-target.
Ayan, better pickup from Pablo. Here's the reverse set. Jonah Gonzalez. Hot hand right now and they'll ride it. 11 points para kay Jonah Gonzalez. How about this young player? Only her second year with Baste. But she's showing. Oh, another good serve from Vaughn. And this will result to a free ball. Oh, Jonah Gonzalez.
After
Another
ng
one.
first ball, tatlong player ng San Sebastian yung ready sa atake. Kanino mo dadalin?
Yeah.
And they're back again with that mind games nila dun sa offense nila kung kanino dadalin yung bola.
Ito, may nilalabas pang baraha itong San Sebastian. Two straight for Arellano. They go back to Juna. They'll ride the hot hand here. Tudlasan gives up the free ball. Lazarte passing it to Dimakulangan. Over to Marasigan. Easy up for Laika. Ito si De Guzman with a push. Saved by Padillon. Tudlasan naman ang susubok. Underhand setup here. Juna Gonzalez!
Kinakabahan ako dun sa mga ganun. Medyo napapareact ako eh.
14 puntos na para dito kay Juna Gonzalez. Even with a difficult set right there, she was able to handle it and score. 100. Every time mga kapartner ko sa Prince, bibilangan ko yung mga yan. Bakit na na? Gonzalez bringing San Sebastian back here. 17 puntos na para kay Juna Gonzalez.
And again, si Gonzalez naglalaro ng parang hindi siya bago. Parang sinabi niya na mukha lang akong bago. And veterano na tayong maglaro.
Ganda galawan niya.
Having those kinds of coaches behind you, helping you with the experiences na nakuha nila through the years, malaking bagay yun.
We expected Marasigan and Kat Santos to take over for Baste, but it's been Juna Gonzalez who's been the star and she continues to score.
Kinailangan lang niya na sila ate.
23 all, 3-zip for San Sebastian. Mangubat. Here comes Baste. Gonzalez. Oh, inabot ni Padillon. San Sebastian is at match point. Juna Gonzalez with 22.
Simple instruction ang binato kasi aabangan talaga to, aabangan.